Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing something different. I'm doing to do a live walkthrough of the OmniSites AI sales page. There is a lot of hype about this agentic AI technology, but I want to actually scroll through this page with you step by step and see what they are actually promising us. Okay, starting right here at the top, the big promise is in this headline: the world's first agentic AI website builder. Now, if you look right below the video here, it says it creates self-marketing websites. This is important. Unlike Wix or Squarespace, where you build a site and then you have to do the marketing, they are claiming this AI does the marketing for you. Let's scroll down and see how. Okay, this section is interesting. They are breaking down the old way of doing things. If you have ever tried to build a website, you know this pain. You buy a domain, you install WordPress, you buy a theme, and then you stare at a blank screen. Omnisites is saying they remove all of that. They claim the new way uses an AI brain that lives inside your website. Let's keep going to see the three steps. Here is the process. Step 1 is train. This is cool. See here, you don't just pick a template, you actually upload your business files or paste your URL. This tells me the AI isn't just guessing, it's actually learning your specific business. Moving down to step 2, build. It says it builds on WordPress. I cannot stress how important this is. You are not renting the site, you own it on WordPress. And finally, step 3, right here, this is the moneymaker marketing mode. Look at this list of features: auto ranking, content writing, traffic generation. Basically, once you hit publish, the AI starts working like a digital marketing agency to get you traffic. I'm scrolling past those testimonials for a second because I want to show you the features list. Look at this. It includes AI content creation and campaign management. If you are an affiliate marketer, this means you can theoretically launch a site, set it to review products, and walk away while it ranks itself. This is a huge time saver. Now, before we get to the price, I want to check the bonuses they are including today. Usually in these launches, the vendors throws in a few extra software tools. Okay, seeing these bonuses here, these are actually helpful if you want to start an agency. They usually help with finding clients or graphics. And finally, here is the price. As you can see, for this launch period, it is a one time fee. That is rare for AI software, which is usually a monthly subscription. However, full disclosure, if you buy through the link below, I also have my own custom bonuses for you. I'm giving you my quick start guide to help you get your first site of even faster. So, if you want to test this agentic AI out, use the fast link in the description, grab it at the one time fees, then send me a screenshot on Instagram to get my bonuses. I hope this walkthrough helped you see exactly what you are getting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.